In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track contractors in QuickBooks Time using a laptop browser. We'll walk through setting up a contractor in your account, then show you exactly where to view their hours. I'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along even if you're new to QuickBooks Time. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop using a modern browser. Make sure you have the permission to manage team members. If you're not an admin, you may need someone with access to complete these steps. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu. Click My Team. This is your hub for everyone who can track time in your organization. Next, select Add Team Member. You'll see fields to enter basic details. Add the contractor's name and their email address so they can receive communications from the system. Keep sensitive information secure and avoid typing anything you wouldn't want shared. Just the essential name and a valid work email is enough. Double-check spelling since mistyped emails can cause delays. Now set the role to contractor. This is important because the contractor role keeps things organized for reporting and ensures the person is identified correctly. Separate from employees. If your account uses groups like job sites, departments, or teams, assign the contractor to the correct group so their time rolls up under the right manager or project. If groups aren't relevant for you, you can leave this as is. When everything looks right, click Save to add the contractor. You'll see them appear in your My Team list. From here, contractors can track their time in two ways. They can use the time clock to clock in and out in real time, which is great for shift-style work. Or they can use time entries to log hours after the fact, which is useful for project-based work or when they need to record time at the end of the day. To review contractor hours, head back to the left menu and click Time Entries. This page shows all tracked time. Use the filters at the top to focus on the contractor you added. Choose the date range you want to review. Select the contractor's name and, if needed, filter by group to narrow things down. You'll be able to see their time entries, totals, and when those hours were recorded, which makes it easy to confirm accuracy before payroll or invoicing. That's it. Simple and efficient. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.